Welcome to Easily Learn Anatomy and Physiology channel. This is gonna blow your mind. The human body is a complex and fascinating machine. But have you ever stopped to think about what controls all of these intricate processes? The answer is the nervous system. The nervous system is a vast network of specialized cells. These cells transmit information throughout the body. They control everything from our thoughts and emotions to our movements and bodily functions. Without our nervous system, we wouldn't be able to experience the world around us. The nervous system is like the body's internal communication network. It receives information about the environment, both internal and external. Understanding the nervous system is essential for understanding what makes us human. The nervous system is broadly divided into two main parts, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the body's functionality. The central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. These two systems are intricately connected and work together seamlessly. The central nervous system is like the command center of the body, orchestrating all major functions. It is made up of the brain and the spinal cord, which are essential for processing and transmitting information. The brain, protected within the skull, is the primary processing unit, handling everything from thoughts to movements. The spinal cord acts as the main communication pathway between the brain and the rest of the body, ensuring messages are relayed efficiently. The peripheral nervous system is like a vast network of messengers, extending the reach of the central nervous system. It consists of all the nerves that branch out from the central nervous system to the rest of the body, covering every inch. These nerves carry sensory information from the body to the central nervous system, allowing us to feel and respond to our surroundings. They also carry motor commands from the central nervous system to the muscles and glands, enabling movement and various bodily functions. Together, the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system work in perfect harmony, ensuring our bodies operate smoothly. This intricate interplay is what allows us to perceive, think, and act in our environment, making us capable of complex behaviors and interactions. The nervous system is built upon a vast network of specialized cells. The most important of these cells are the neurons. Neurons are the fundamental units of the nervous system. They are specialized cells designed to transmit information over long distances. Neurons have a unique structure that allows them to carry out this crucial function. This structure consists of a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Neurons communicate with each other at specialized junctions called synapses. When a signal reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters diffuse across the synapse and bind to receptors on the dendrite of the receiving neuron. In addition to neurons, the nervous system also contains glial cells that provide support and protection for neurons. The nervous system is responsible for a wide range of complex functions, playing a crucial role in our daily lives. These functions can be broadly categorized into three main categories: sensory input, integration, and motor output, each essential for our survival and interaction with the environment. Sensory receptors, located throughout the body, detect various stimuli, such as light, sound, touch, temperature, and chemicals, providing critical information about our surroundings. These receptors convert the stimuli into electrical signals that are transmitted to the central nervous system via sensory neurons, ensuring rapid communication. The central nervous system receives a constant stream of sensory input from the peripheral nervous system, processing this data continuously. It analyzes this information, integrates it with previous experiences, and makes decisions about how to respond, ensuring appropriate reactions. Once the brain has processed sensory information and made a decision, it sends out commands to muscles and glands via motor neurons, initiating action. These commands initiate a specific response, such as muscle contraction, gland secretion, or a change in heart rate, enabling us to react effectively. This loop allows us to perceive and interact with the world around us, making sense of our environment and responding to it in real time. The brain is arguably the most complex organ in the human body. It is the control center of the nervous system, responsible for our thoughts, emotions, memories, and actions. The brain is made up of billions of neurons, interconnected in intricate ways. The brain is divided into several distinct regions, each with its own specialized functions. These regions include the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is responsible for higher-level cognitive functions, such as language, memory, reasoning, and personality. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, is primarily involved in motor control, coordination, and balance. The brainstem, which connects the brain to the spinal cord, controls vital life-sustaining functions, such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The cerebral cortex, the outermost layer of gray matter, is responsible for the most sophisticated brain functions. The spinal cord is a long cylindrical structure that extends from the brainstem down the back. It is a vital part of the central nervous system, acting as the main communication pathway between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column, a bony structure that surrounds and supports it. The spinal cord is made up of bundles of nerve fibers, both ascending and descending. Ascending nerve fibers carry sensory information from the body to the brain. Descending nerve fibers carry motor commands from the brain to the muscles and glands. Reflexes are rapid, involuntary responses to stimuli that occur without conscious thought. The nervous system is a complex and delicate system responsible for coordinating and controlling various functions of the body. It is susceptible to a wide range of diseases and disorders, which can have a significant impact on a person's health and well-being. These conditions can affect anyone, regardless of age or background. Neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease are characterized by the progressive loss of neurons in the brain. This gradual degeneration leads to a decline in cognitive and motor functions over time. Parkinson's disease affects movement, causing tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with balance and coordination. Patients often require ongoing physical therapy to manage these symptoms. Alzheimer's disease affects memory, thinking, and behavior, leading to dementia. This condition not only impacts the patient, but also places a significant emotional and physical burden on caregivers. Multiple sclerosis, or MS, is an autoimmune disease that affects the central nervous system. It can lead to a wide range of symptoms, including physical, mental, and sometimes psychiatric problems. In MS, the body's immune system attacks the myelin sheath, a fatty substance that insulates and protects nerve fibers. This damage disrupts communication between the brain and the rest of the body. Epilepsy is a neurological disorder characterized by recurrent seizures caused by abnormal electrical activity in the brain. These seizures can vary in intensity and frequency, affecting daily life. Injuries to the brain or spinal cord, such as those caused by trauma, stroke, or infection, can also have a devastating impact on the nervous system. These injuries often require immediate medical attention and long-term rehabilitation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.